Okay. Okay, Sandeep also joined, right? Okay. So, yeah, today we are going to start with the MS Visio tool. Okay, this is very basic tool as a BA which we should know. Okay, so generally we learn two different diagrams in UML. I told you, right? So like something like this. Oh, 1 minute, let me share my desktop. Yeah, everyone able to see my desktop?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in case of UML, I told you there will be two types of diagrams you need to learn. One is use case diagrams. One is use case diagrams under static diagrams and activity diagrams under dynamic diagrams. These two are must for us. As a BA, you are supposed to draw these diagrams. So generally we practice the best way is to draw with pen on a paper or pencil on a paper. Okay, that is the first way to practice it. But in the computer, I mean in the system, how you are going to draw it? With pen and paper you can't draw it, right? So if you know with pen and paper, in computer also we can draw it very easily. The same thing only we are mimic there. Okay, with the help of something called as a MS Visio tool. Okay, so we provided some cracked version to you. You can install it and you can use that. That is not a problem. Okay, very old version is that. I mean, 2007 edition is there. That is sufficient, more than enough for practice and everything. Even in using that also, so you can install it. If at all if people face any problem related to the installation, uh, you can call us. Okay, I'm our help desk people. They will guide you in installing it. Not a problem. So after installing that, how you will get is, see, you will get one icon something like this. Able to see on my desktop. Otherwise, in the Windows, if you go to Windows and go to Microsoft, okay, Microsoft Office, it will not come by default with Microsoft Office, sir. That is a separate tool we need to install. Okay, MS Visio tool. So after installing it, you will get something like this. Under Microsoft Office, you will get something like Microsoft Visio 2007 or whatever latest version you install. Okay, so now if you click on this one, you will get a page like this. By default, you will get a page like this. Okay, everyone, I think everyone able to see this. 1 minute. Okay, so this is the by default page. Okay, it will come. Now on the left hand side, if you see, many things will be there like business, engineering, flow charts. See, this tool will give lot many diagrams, and it is useful for many people, not only for BA. It is useful for many people. Okay, so out of that we will use for, I mean, as a BA, we will use for drawing two diagrams. What is that? See, under software, click on the software and database. Click on the software and database like this. When you click on the software and database, by default, three diagrams will come like this. One is database model diagrams. Someone might have drawn it, these things. Okay, and UML model diagrams. What we are going to draw is UML, right? UML model diagrams is the main thing for us. When you just select that with a single click, when you select that, okay, you will get on the right hand side, you will get the properties of that. Okay, you can see here. So by default, when you install for the first time, in your system, this MS Visio, when you click on here, if you see here on the right hand side, US units and metric, two things are there. By default, metric will be in enabled state. By default, metric will be in enabled state. If you see that, just click on US unit. Okay, just click on US unit instead of metric unit. This will come only for the first time. Not every time it will not come. Whenever you open, once you do it, by default it will come US unit only. Next, create. Just create another. By default, the page will come like this. Okay, now first of all, let me tell you the layout. One thing I want to tell you, that is, whenever you learn any new tools, the first thing that you need to understand is layout. Okay, if you know the layout of that particular tool, what is there at what place and how we can use it. Okay, 50% of the tool is done, sir. Using of that is next 50% only. First thing is try to learn the layout of the things. What I mean, what kind of gadget, I mean, widgets are there at what place and how we can use it. So on the left hand side, if you see here, when it opens left hand side, all the UML diagrams I told you, right? 9 different diagrams. All these diagrams are there in the left hand side. See, first it starts with the activity diagrams. If you click on that, activity diagrams in the alphabetical order, all the symbols what we use in the activity diagrams will be available here. Okay, next, if you go and see the next one is collaboration diagram. Next one is component, deployment, sequence, state chart, static structure, and the last one will be use case diagrams. So we are going to use two things, that is first one and the last one. That is activity diagrams we are going to draw, as well as use case diagrams at the last one. So like that, all the diagrams will be available. Now, when you come to the middle of the page, this is the page where we are going to design our diagram. Okay, this is the page where we are going to design our diagram. So how to design this? Okay, what is this? By default, it will come around 69 or 70%. If you want to increase the page size, you can increase it by default. I mean, here page size is there. Whatever the size you want, you can go. If you want 75, I'm there. 100. See, you can increase. You can 100, 200, anything you can do. Okay, you can resize the page, and by default, something called as grid kind of thing is like a graph page. Grid is appearing to you, right? Okay, if you want it, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can remove it also. Very simple. Very simple. How to do that? It is related to view the page, right? Viewing the page. So go to view menu. Okay, view. And by default here, 4 things are there: rollers, grid, guides, and connection points. Like that, 4 things are there, right? If you disable just grid, see, it became a white page. If you want to keep it, go there and enable it, it will come. As simple as that. See, here also something called a scale is there. See, on the top side, and here also, I mean vertical side also, some scaling is there. If you don't want to show that, just view rollers is there. Just disable the rollers. Rollers are not visible. Like that, you can do it. Okay, you can do the things like that. Now, how to write the use case diagram? First diagram we are going to draw, right? So how to use that symbols? Very simple, sir. Whenever we write the use case symbols, for those people who have completed the classes, the first thing what we are going to draw on a paper, system boundary, right? System boundary. Go to the use case diagrams and check where is the system boundary. Here it is there, right? It is there, system boundary is there. Okay, so just click on that, drag and drop. Just click on that and drag and drop into this page. Clear? Okay, by default system is coming. Nothing great, sir. Just like very simple one, drag and drop and attach kind of thing. So by default, the name is coming as system. I want to rename it to my own ATM, suppose the diagram. So just double click on that name. Okay, my own ATM. I'm renaming it like this. Just click outside and anyway somewhere else. See, it got renamed. Very simple. Next symbol, what we want? Actor. We want a customer, actor, right? We want to show a, yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, can you just repeat once again from where I have to get the option of writing system?
System. Just go on to see, by default system has come, right? So hover your mouse onto the system and double click on it.
Okay, so firstly system will come automatically.
Automatic, like automatic. To recognize that, automatically it will give the name system. Just double click on it, you rename it. Okay, now my own ATM, I can rename it to anyone, anything, and click on the any other place. Done. As simple as that. Okay. Now, next, I want to show a actor. Okay, actor. Suppose if it is pen on the white paper, you will write a actor like this one circle and some lines. You will write customer or something for ATM. Now, how I have to do? I want that. It provides that. See, actor is there or not? Here, actor is there. See, here, actor is there. Okay, just click on that, drag and drop onto this. See? Drag and drop onto this. We got the actor. By default, name is coming actor1. Okay, let me increase the size of it. Font size by default it comes 0. 14. Yeah, is it visible? 14 I gave. Okay, actor1 it came. Okay, I want to rename it to customer. How to do that? Just to go on to that, select it and double click on it. Its properties window will come. Okay, otherwise, if you don't double click, simply you just right click on that, select that, right click on that, go to properties. Its window will come. Properties window. In the properties, name will be there, actor1 by default. You change it to customer. Okay, customer. Say okay. See, it has been changed to the customer. Okay, clear. Now, what the customer is doing in the ATM? He is accessing three things. What are they? Withdraw cash, deposit cash, and transfer cash. We call them as a use cases. Three use cases. Each oval is called as a use case, right? I told you. Now, where is the use case diagram? Simple. Here it is there. Oval symbol. Just click on it, drag and drop on it here. Okay, I'm drawing that. Just simply you can resize. Okay, let me increase the font of it. Okay, see, use case one by default it is coming like this. Okay, you can place anywhere or you can resize it, whatever you want you can do like that. And I want to just rename it to withdraw cash. Okay, withdraw cash. How to do that? Very simple. Double click on it, its properties will come. Just you put it like withdraw cash. Withdraw cash, say okay. See, it is changed to withdraw. Now what I have to do? I have to connect from customer to withdraw cash with a line, nothing but relation. Where is the relation? Communication line. Here, communication line is there. Just drag and drop onto this. Communication line will come like this. By default, end1, end2. Let me the size. Please, everyone, go on mute. Some noise is coming. Okay, fine. So by default, n1, n2, everything is appearing, right? So how to connect it? Very simple, sir. Your mouse, see my mouse, how it is changing. When at normal place, it is in normal mouse pointer symbol. Okay, now when I hover my mouse at the end of this line, see how it changed. It changed into 4 directions symbol, right? So once it changed like that, click your mouse, hold on it and drag and drop. See, you can drag and drop. I mean, you can drag and drop. You can drag like this. It will get extend like this. Okay, now what happens? See the plus symbol, how it is changing. When I hover my this particular plus symbol, holding the mouse and hover my mouse, and when I go on top of any of the intos, whatever is appearing on the customer, see how it will change. See, with red color it is changing. Glue to connect point, connection point. That means if you leave it here, it will get stick to that. It will get stick to that. Understand? Okay, if you leave it like that, let me show you once again. If I leave it like this, it will get stick to getting stick. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, it got stick. See, even if I change also, that is not leaving, it got stick. If I don't leave on that red spot, what happens? It will, I mean, customer will come to some other place and it will. Okay, so now come to the other end. Hold it. Sorry. Come to the other end and let me hold it. Okay, now I'm holding here, I'm leaving it here. See, I connected like this. See, now if I, even if I do like this, it will hold on like that. Okay, now here, now I got some extra words like end one, end two, and we are feeling somewhat uncomfort, right, with this regular symbols like into marks, like connection points. I don't want to see all these things. How can I change it? Very simple, sir. I mean, simple. All these X marks and everything is there. Go to view again. Here, connection points is by default enabled. Just disable that. See, no more connection points are appearing, but they will be there. It will not appear. Okay. Next, I don't want this end point, end two, end one, end two, and all. They are the properties of the line. So select the line, double click on the line. Okay. So now its properties will come. I want to delete this. End one and end two is appearing, right? Just delete them. Go there, delete them. This star mark also delete. Say okay. 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 So like this, I'm able to do. We got it, right? Simple. We got withdraw cash. Next, just like that, he can do deposit cash and transfer cash also. If you want to do the deposit, just you need not drop everything. You can copy paste also. Okay. Copy this and paste it. Okay. And just double click on it. Okay. This is deposit. Deposit cash. Okay. We got it. And I want to connect here, right? Same line. I'm Control C. I'm using Control C. I'm selecting the line and paste. Okay. Same way. I'll connect like this. See, even that marks are not there. When I hover mouse nearby that red mark will come. See, red marks are coming. Wherever we want, just leave it like that. Got it, sir? Like this, you can draw any diagram. If whatever you want, you can keep it. Along with this, few more symbols we use. What are they? What are the symbols apart from these things? Whatever I showed you.
Include and extend, sir.
Include, extend, and generalization. Include, extend, and generalization. These three symbols also we use. Okay, where are those these three the symbols, other symbols? Let us try to see that also, how to use them. Okay, for example, see, use first of all, generalization symbol I want to show you. Where is the generalization symbol here? Do you see any generalization symbol here? Not there. Generalization is not there. It will be there in the static structure. Above the use case, one more thing is there, static structure. There many symbols will be there. In that, see this generalization symbol is there. Just select that, drag and drop. Generalization symbol. Okay, this is the generalization symbol. Okay, next you want to connect the what is that, include and extend. Where are the include symbol? Include symbol not visible to us because in the classroom session I told you something like this. Include means yeah, this symbol, dotted line, and like this include I was writing like this. Okay, I'll tell you. This diagram I have drawn along with the I have drawn this big with something called as eDraw. Okay, so there it is showing like this. But when you show this when you want to show the include in MS Visio does not support dotted lines. Okay, dotted lines. So it uses something different symbol, that is uses. For include, it uses. Okay, normally we call it as include, but MS Visio we call it as uses. Just drag and drop this. Okay, see how it looks. Uses. Let me increase the size of it. See, sir, instead of include, for this uses, and the symbol will be same as that of the generalization symbol only. No difference. Okay, if you keep in uses, you think like include, that's it. Okay, you need not draw, dotted line only. If it is e-draw tool, then that is providing e-draw. Okay, we learned that, but instead of that, you can, if you keep uses, that is more than enough. Okay, next, extend. Extend, is there a symbol? Yes, this is there. Extend is there. Okay, it is providing. Keep it like this, draw it. Yeah, something like this. Let me increase the size of it. See, extends. Okay, that's it. If you know how to use these symbols, any use case diagram you can draw, sir. Any use case diagram you can draw easily. Okay, so in our syllabus, whatever we discussed is something like this. Include, we put with dotted line and we write include. Whereas in MS Visio, instead of this, you use uses. That's it. Okay, extend. I have shown it here. Extend, right, in the symbol. So then same thing, solid line, but extend we write. That is the only difference. You can use this one. In MS Visio, it doesn't support dotted lines. It will support like this. That's it. With this, you can draw anything. Clear? Suppose you want to show withdraw cash, deposit cash, and everything. Okay. What we say, uses or extend or generalization or anything. Just suppose you want to put a generalization thing. I'll do one thing. We'll put some other symbol here. Control C. Okay. I'll keep like this. Suppose if it is finance transaction, just to show you only, I'm telling. Okay, financial transactions. Suppose you want to show. Okay, you want to show the generalization. Okay, deposit cash is a generalization form, right? So just simply go there, select it, and you can add us like this. That's it, generalization we are showing. So whatever you want, whatever you are able to write on the paper, you can show here also. Okay, that's it. With this, with this you can draw any use case diagram. Apart from these symbols, are we using anything else in the notes, entire notes you will see? We are not using any other symbols. Everything is this one only. Everything is this one. With these symbols, you can draw any use case diagram. Now, let's go into the next thing, that is activity diagrams. How to draw the activity diagrams? Very simple. See, if you want to use another page, if you want to add another, by default one page, use case one is coming, right? If I want another page, I can insert, just come to here, right click on it, insert page. Okay, page 2. Okay, any name also you can give, say okay. See, another page got added. Okay, I want to draw the activity diagram, suppose. Okay, so what we have to do, go on to the activity. Yeah, tell me, sir.
Can I copy this use case one from here to Microsoft Word?
You can copy, sir. You can copy. Okay, you can copy. There are some options. Okay, you can copy that. Okay, let me try it. Okay, copy the drawing. Save as also document. Okay, let us try it. Okay, whether it is there in my system, support my system or not, I don't know, but let us try it. Okay, so see, I just copied it everything. Okay, let us take a document. Will it 1 minute? Let us take a document, Word document. See, sir, it came, okay, but because of my Mac system, it is not appearing properly, but it is coming. To be frank, it will come. See, it is coming, sir. Okay, but this one format is not coming properly because I am using it in this one. I'll show, sir. I'll try and I'll show that to you. Okay,
Sir,
clearly.
how? Okay, next one is
Yeah, it is
how
coming,
to.
right? See, it is coming, right? Same thing. It has
No,
come.
sir. Okay, fine. Sir, how to remove that box?
Which one?
You see one round box, right? Above my own ATM.
My
What do you
own
call it?
ATM?
This one. If I want to remove this square shape box, not that one, sir.
Is asking boundary, sir. Boundary. How to
Boundary
Okay,
remove?
you want to
yeah.
remove. Now you want to remove boundary means just select that and delete it. Or
Okay.
see, right click on it. Okay, cut it.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, cut it. Control Z, it will come. Okay, so that is what. And actually, there will be some option also to store it, like file, save as. File, save as options are there, right? Okay, here you can use some options, a VSD file or something. Okay, different options. Save as a type is there. You can save it as a what is that, JPG file, like the different options will come. Okay, you can select those things and you can save it also. Okay, that is also there options. You can explore that actually. Okay, so now go to the second page. Now, in the second page, how to do that? Activity diagrams I will show you now. So when it comes to activity diagrams, click on the activity. So any activity diagram will start with what node, sir? First of all, it will start with a start node, right?
Start node.
Initial state. Keep it initial state, a dark circle like this. Start node. And the next state is action state. Next one is action state. See, when it comes to action state, just like use case diagram, in use case we have the option of enlarging like this. Whatever you want, you can do. But in activity node, you cannot. It will not give any option like that. Okay, it will not give any option like that. Let me increase the size of it. Okay, action state one. So how it will get renamed is when you type something, automatically it will take care. So double click on it, action state. I'm writing a register for the course register the patient details. I'm taking like that. Okay. See, automatic. It will take care of the size of that particular box. Okay. Next, we want to connect, right? Connect between that, right? So go to activity node. Where is the control flow? Here is the control flow. See, arrow symbol. Just come on to that and you can do like this. You understand? Okay, like this you can do. You can adjust the things whatever we want. Okay, like this. Next, after that action state, any other symbol we use? Any other symbol we use? Decision box. Let us see decision box, how to do that. So decision box, where is the decision box? Here. See, I'm keeping a decision box here, connecting from control flow like this, and then again one more control I'm taking like this, and one more control I will take like this. Okay, you can increase the length size also. Actually, what is this state, sir? Tell me. What is this symbol called as now? Is this a vision? It is a connector, sir. It is a connector. Why? No out. I mean, nothing like guard conditions on the output. If we keep guard conditions, it will become a decision box, right? By default, it is a connector. Okay, you can have any number of inputs and any. So same symbol you can use as a connector. So now how to keep the guard condition? Suppose some x equal to 10 I need to keep here. Just select that, double click on the line. Okay, you will get option here, grid. I mean guard is there. So select the guard and select text option, and here you say something like x equal to 10. Just you write that whatever you want condition. Okay, say okay. See that has come. Let me increase the size. See, x equal to 10 option it gave. And now here I want to say x equal to 20. Just double click on it, go guard, select text, says here x equal to 20, some option, some condition, whatever you want based on the situation, whatever you are doing, you can do it. So let me increase the size. See, x equal to 20. Now it became a decision box, right? Any other symbol? Next, what we want to see is like yeah, a fork and join. I'll show you the fork and join. So fork they gave directly, drag and drop it here. Okay, and let us expand like this. Okay, fork and join. Let me enable these things. What is that? So that we can see connection points. Where is that connection points? Okay, so we got some connection points also. Now what I want to do is see. I want to fork. This one is fork and join. The next one is join. See, I will keep it like this. And like this. Okay, fork and join. In between, you can have any number of activities, action states, right? So I'm keeping like this, some 2 or 3. We can keep as many as you want. Okay, I told you fork and join also, right? Like this. So I need to connect, right? So how to do that? Control flow like this. Connecting like this. Just sir, it is not any great thing. Just drag and drop and connect to like whatever you want. Whatever you want. Same way here also I'll connect. Now we have connected. So from if x equal to 10, it should go to this one, fork and join. Then what I will do is I will drag and drop and connect to this. So now there is one option. If you want, you can do anything. See, you can change this straight line into rectangle or something like that. It gives some options. Like right click on this line. See, there are some options. Right angled connector. If I by default straight connector will be there. If I click on that, see how it changed. Okay, suppose right click on that. Even there is one curved connector like that. If you want, you can use it. See, there is a small X appearing there. If you drag and drop like that, see, you can change also like that, whatever you want from there. Okay, so if you see this one is there. See, if you want something like this, you can keep like that. Like that. See, just for visualization, if at all you want something to drag like this, see, you can do like that also. Whatever you want, you do that. Okay, do that. Okay. So let me keep it rectangular connector, then rectangular connector like this. You can use I showed you this one also. If I remove this view connection points, it looks nice, right? Got it? So after this, you want to end it. Suppose what is the end symbol, sir? End symbol. This is one final state. Here we call it a double circle. I told you. I kept it here. This is the end of the diagram. Suppose. Okay, I kept it here. Just connect a control flow from here to here. Understand? Okay, like this, you can use any symbol, sir. Now almost all symbols we covered. There are some more symbols which I am going to tell you. I'll tell you what is that. I told you end symbol, right? Do you see stop symbol? I also told you something called a stop symbol, a cross symbol on the circle. Where is that? You will not find it. You will not find it. Okay, where it will be? It won't be there in any other areas also. MS Visio doesn't provide that symbol. Okay, stop symbol it doesn't provide, but it gives one small tool for us. Very good tool, very excellent tool. With the tool, if you want any extra symbol or any symbol you want, any diagram you want, you can draw it. With that small thing, you can create your own diagram also if you want. What is that? See, sir, here page size is there, right? After that, something called as auto connect is there. After that, there is drawing tool is there. Drawing tools. Just click on that. Small, very small window will come. Drawing tool. With the help of this, if at all you don't find anything, you can draw it, sir. You can draw it with this small thing. You can draw your own thing. So stop symbol I don't have, right? So let me create that stop symbol. See, one ellipse is there, right? Click on that. Come here. Circle, I got it. Next, how the stop symbol looks? I'm taking a straight line, coming here and drawing like this, and I'm taking another line and drawing like this. I got it. Just close it. I got the stop symbol. So what I will do is I'll select everything and let me. I got the stop symbol, right? So with that very small tool, whatever I told you, you can draw any symbol, whatever you want. Okay, that is a they gave that flexibility to us. If at all you don't find, you can draw also. So now what I will do, I'll select this. Suppose x equal to 20, it is going to something like stop condition. Then what I will do, I'll put it like this and connect like this. That it be right angle connector. Understand? We can easily do that way. With this, I think almost all I covered all the things. Suppose there is no continuation nodes. I told you continuation nodes yesterday. Okay, I mean in the last, whenever I explained you continuation nodes also we discussed. Okay, something like in the notes I will show this. Right, in our class sessions activity. Wait, sir. Yeah, continuation nodes, something like that I told you, right? How to show that continuation nodes? We don't find that in the use case diagram, right? In the use case diagram. Where is the continuation? No continuation nodes here. Okay, we don't show that. So we can create it. We can create it. This gives the flexibility. Just put it like this. Put a symbol here, okay, and then put a control flow. I mean, yeah, you can write any name in that, okay, or symbol, okay. Continuation, okay, like that. Continue node, you can create continue node. Select a, oh, sorry, let me close this. Okay, got it. So select all these things and you can resize also like this. Continue node. You can use it anyway. Like that, you can create whatever you want. Even it gives you the swim lanes concept also. Swim lanes also. I'm adding one more page here. Okay, page number 3. Swim lanes. I'm going to activity C. Swim lanes they gave. So just drag and drop at swim lane like this. If you want to use swim lanes, draw the diagram using swim lanes. You can swim lane. You can use the swim lanes also like this. You can put it. See, okay, partition 1, partition 2. Suppose you want to make it like student, double click on it. Student. Okay, just okay, and next partition 2, professor. Okay, professor. See, we got professor like that. As many as you want, you can add, and then in that you can adjust the things like initial node student is doing. After that, he is doing some activity, and after that, some other person, professor is doing some activity. Then you can connect something like this. From here, you can connect to this right angle. See, we are able to do like that. So it's as simple as that. Just drag and drop, connect. Only thing is once you start using it, done. Like this, you can draw whatever the diagram you want and then you can save it. And when you want to save it, when you want to save this particular thing, see by default file and save. If you save, it will save as .vsd file. .vsd save as, see by default it is coming like that. Okay, it will save like See, .vsd files will come, sir. Okay, in the form of VSD. That means Visual Studio, Visio files. Okay, .vsd file. That means if you give that file to anybody, when they open that, if they have this software in their laptop, and if they open, it will open like this in the tool. Okay. Otherwise, you can save it like a draft, like a JPG file, and you can send it so that they can see only. They cannot modify that. Otherwise, as I told you, you can put it like this, whatever you have drawn, and you can send it also. Okay, like that you can draw. You can use that. Understand? Any other doubts in this? Any symbols you want me to show further other than these things? Decision we have seen that only you can use it for connectors. Imbalance we have seen, control flows in, fork and join also we have seen, initial node and final state, action state. Almost all the things covered. Continuation node also I told you, and something called as this one. What is this? Stop node also I showed you. There is one more thing, sir, in depth. I mean event. Do you remember that event? We can create event also. We show that on the line, on the control line. I told you how to do that event. Just let us try it. Okay, I tried it long back. Again, we'll try it. See, when I double click on that, something called as here, which properties are coming. I want to put an event on that. So see here, events is there. Just click on the events. Okay, events, a new event. Take a new event. See, there are 4 types of event: call event, change event, time event, and a signal event, like that. So call event, something like I'm taking call event. Okay, next here I'm putting like branch manager approval. Okay, without, I mean, I might have told you one example. The dormanted account need to be activated, means branch manager approval is required. The bank manager approval, and just I'm taking like this call event VM approval name. I'm giving like that, adding it. Okay, BM approval got added. Okay, okay. Now if you see here, one thing called as BM approval came, right? Okay, just take it, say okay. See, sir, BM approval came. Let me increase the size. See, you got it right. See, BM approval is happening. So in the middle of the line, it came BM approval. That is the event. That is the event. Without happening of the BM approval, it cannot proceed. I mean, just to show you like that. I showed the event also. So anything else is there that we need to see? I think almost everything I covered. All the symbols.
So can you please again show me that event one?
Event. Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Wait. Very simple. Event means I'll show you in a different way. See, I'm taking a control like this flow. On the control flow only, we are going to show it the event, right? Just for you, I'll take it like this. Okay, and I'll show you now how to keep the event. Is just double click on that. If every symbol, any symbol, its properties will come. In that, what do you want to do? If you want to put a guard condition, I told you guard. Okay, but now it is not guard. You want to keep the event. So click on events. Okay, now you have to add one event because it doesn't know what you want, right? You need to add. Okay, suppose begin of semester. I might have given that example. Begin of semester, January 1st. Okay, you want to show that. So how can you show that? You need to add it first. So new event. Okay, that is related to time related event, right? So just click on time related event. Okay, then it will give you something. Okay, something you write here, change it to begin of semester. Okay, semester. Okay, next duration. They are giving some duration also. Okay, if you want to give, you give it, otherwise leave it as of now. We'll see. Okay, so begin of semester. Okay, I gave that. Okay, now you see, I added earlier BM approval and begin of semester also. I'm selecting begin of semester. Okay. See, begin of semester, after and before, something different it is coming because I took the time event. Okay, wait. Let me increase the size. See, after beginning of, that means beginning of semester will happen after, see, wait, events. So when it is time related event, okay, properties, yeah, you need to give certain things like beginning of semester, what is that duration, and these things, these properties also, if you are able to give something like this. Okay, I'm just I'm taking like this, say okay, and okay, see, after Jan 1st, if GSSF I gave right there, instead of that, after January 1st, if you give, you change it to, events, semester, properties. Okay, here I will give after Jan 1st, Jan 1. Okay, simple. It will appear, nothing great in that. Okay, see, after Jan 1. That means from here, whatever, suppose here one state is there, okay, like this, and some other state is here. Okay, that means from here to here, one, when it will happen, after January 1st.
After Jan 1st.
Like this, time related. Here, just normal one, BM approval, bank manager approval, like that. 4 types are there. You need to explore and do it. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank
Got
you.
it. Yeah. Any other doubts?
No, sir. That's
Yeah.
it.
Any someone is asking some other doubt. See, I'm not showing you one particular case study, taking it and drawing a diagram and all, because with this symbols you can draw anything, sir. When you know how to draw the diagram on a paper, done. See, with this symbol, suppose if I show you something like some other diagram like this, yeah, something like this, we can easily draw. Nothing great, right? Okay, whatever you want. Suppose you want to draw all the symbols we have shown, just go drag and drop them and connect accordingly. That's it. Nothing great in that. Okay, so like this we can draw. Now you tell me any doubt. Yeah, even you can, generally we don't draw this. Okay, developers will draw this. Even you can try for if at all you are interested, sequence diagrams. I told you, I explained sequence diagrams also, right? See, you can draw the sequence diagrams also. See, I'll take another page 4, and I told you now, see, when it comes to sequence diagrams, yeah, we don't draw, so I'm not taking. See, like this, you can put anything, whatever, how many ever you want, you can rename these things, and you can put like this. Okay, and then message, you got it, like this, you can keep whatever you want. Okay, the symbols and everything, even activation mode. See, like this. After that, again you want something like this. From here I can connect to like this. Like that you can draw, sir. Whatever you are going to do in the paper, you can do whatever you want. Self-check, messages, like that, many things. Whatever we have shown in that. Okay, you can do that. Any doubts now? Tell me related to that. Like this, you can draw the sequence diagrams also. Okay, clear? And one more point I want to tell you, actually, see, you need not for extend, use, include, that means you just extend and generalization. You need not go into even static also, static structures also. That means generalization, I told you that it is here, right? Even with one symbol, you can draw anything in this use case. How? See, you take use case, uses. Okay, I'll show you now how to change it. Okay, I'm taking uses. Let me increase the size to 14. Okay, now see, it is a include or uses, right? I want to make it generalization. Very simple, sir. Go to its properties. Go to its properties. Okay, here uses is there, stereotype uses is there, right? Just double click on it, one empty one is there, say empty, say okay. How it is looking? It's a generalization symbol. It's a generalization symbol. You can change it. Okay. You want to make it extend. Same thing. Go to its things. Go there, and extend will be there. Extends is there. Keep it. Say okay. Extend. It became an extend. If you want to use, you put the user. Same symbol you can use. That is the use of it. You need not worry about any other symbols also. Same thing you can change for anything. You can modify it based on the situation. Whatever you want, you can do it. Otherwise, you can go and take from static structures or extend like that. Whatever you want, you can do it. Yeah. Now you tell me, sir, any doubts or anything related to this? Hello.
No, sir.
I have clear, right, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So fine, sir. So just you try to install in your system. While installing in your system, if you are facing any problem, the software, whatever we shared with you, or if you do, I mean, if you lost the what is that URL for that downloading the software, you let me know. Okay, you can call our help desk people. Okay, okay, then they will help you in installing that. Okay, or otherwise you can call me, we'll help you in installing that. Just practice it 1 or 2 times, more than enough.
Sir, by any chance are you going to share this recording session?
Sorry? Yeah, I am going to upload this in the YouTube channel, madam. We have one YouTube channel. Okay, there, sorry, everyone, I'm telling you this. Whenever you are free, you try to do this. Okay, see, I'll show you that. Go to youtube.com and Ivnaco. You just type Ivnaco. IVNACO. Okay, Ivnaco. Oh, sorry. Okay, see, there is one channel, 30 members are there, subscribers, our students only. Just click on that, please subscribe. Okay, I am uploading slowly one by one videos. Okay, see, those people who want to learn Jira. Okay, anyway, whenever we conduct, I will involve you in that class, not a problem. But there are 3 videos related to Jira, sir. Okay, 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. Okay, 3/3. Otherwise, channels, playlist, videos. 1 minute. Okay, fine. Videos. Yeah, videos only. Okay, so Jira class 3/3. I mean 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. If you see and understand, try to understand one and second one also more than enough. One hour will be there. Okay, so you can see and read that. And last time, same, just like today, I took something called as Axure tool. Some people have attended that. Okay, Axure tool, how to use the Axure tool to generate the prototypes and everything. Okay, how to create prototypes and everything I have done. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, you can use. I mean, if you see this tool for 1 hour, it will be there. 54 minutes is there. Actual tool is done. Anyway, I'm going to explain that one more time. But if you see this also, just like whatever this thing is there, tomorrow I will try to, upload this MS Visio tool also here. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway,
Sorry.
whenever I conduct next time Axure, I will send the mail to everyone. Those people who want to join, you can join. Yeah,
Sir,
someone is asking.
Sir, you will send the link separately for downloading this MS Visio tools.
You want, I will give the separate link tool, sir. Otherwise, I will put it in the YouTube itself. Anytime you can access. Okay.
So you better send.
Yeah,
you better
yeah,
send a link to.
I'll give the link to you. Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will copy it into one place and I'll share it to you. That folder, just like our software, you can download from there.
Yeah, better.
I'll put it in the shared folder itself for you.
Sir, this we can do in the MacBook, right?
That is the question. Okay, in the MacBook, MS Visio doesn't support.
Okay.
In the MacBook, so In the Windows only it will support. So see, this is my MacBook actually, whatever I am showing. Okay, but in MacBook through Parallels I installed Windows, and in Windows I am showing. So there is one more tool called as EDRA. I told you, right? EDRA. I have the version for EDRA version for Mac also. I already shared with you people that one. Okay, that will be there, sir. 1 minute, let me show you that. In the softwares, whatever we shared with you, it will be there. Wait.
So you haven't shared any software, right?
We shared, sir. You might have got the mail, but you might have lost it. You tell me. We will share it once again. Wait. I'll show you that. Students and business analysis. Name, A to Z. Yeah, something called as softwares is there, right? Software. This folder itself I share it to everyone, all the students we share generally. If at all if anyone don't have this thing, you let us know. We will share it once again. Okay. In that, see all the softwares we have given: Axure 7.0 setup zip, okay, Balsmic and EDRA. In this, both Mac version as well as Windows version, both are there. Okay, DMG file is there for Mac, you can install it, and MS Visio is there. MS Visio doesn't support in Mac, only in Windows it will show. Okay, you do one thing, whenever you are free, just download these zips as it is. As it is, you download this. Don't double click on these files directly from my cloud system. Okay, whatever I showed. Download into your system, keep it in some place, unzip them into different place, and then you will install. Many people will simply double click on that, whatever the link I shared. So obviously it is like around 3 GB space required. So it will create some problem. It will not get installed if you do like that. Download it into your system, save it, keep safely, and then you do it. Okay. Mostly that Visio tools, MS Visio, Axure, and all these sessions, whatever we are doing, I will try to
So
copy this itself. I will try to
I
copy
have
this.
a doubt over there. Like, what is the second one? What is the
Balsmic.
second tool? Yeah.
This is one tool, madam, which is used for the wireframing. I am going to explain that wireframes. Okay. See,
Okay.
it is not any difficult tool, just like our MS Visio only. This is also very easy tool. Okay, to do the draw the what we say wireframes. Only the difficult thing is something if you want to practice Axure. Okay, Axure is somewhat difficult to practice, but once you practice two, 3 times, it will become habitual to you.
Okay.
Okay, you can do that.
Yes.
Fine. Okay, anyway, in YouTube, everything explained very clearly, madam. Very clearly in the YouTube, it is there. Okay, please do that. Okay, if you go and check that, then you will get it. All the understanding, Axure, this one, how to use the tool and everything, how to create that prototypes and everything we have explained. Okay, fine. Same thing, it will be just like one of the class I recorded and I kept it here. Clear, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll log off for the day. Any doubts are there, please let us know. We'll take it forward then. Fine. Best of luck, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fine. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Take care.
Thank
Good
you,
night,
sir.
sir.
Good night.
Good night, everyone. Bye.